This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Brown. Lovely Rambler on a nice level lot nestled in the Mount Baker Foothills. Open floor plan accented by laminate floors and tons of natural light through the large windows. Super efficient heat pump keeps you cool in the summer and cozy in the winter. Primary suite enjoys the mountain views via the sliding glass doors that lead to the backyard patio and has a full bath and walk-in closet. High-speed internet available for work-at-home option. Home is wired for a generator. Easy 30-minute commute to Bellingham and close to all of the activities the Mount Baker recreation area has to offer. For more information, review the details below.